Yeah, there you go, better. Is it the water really cold?
No,
No?
it's warm.
It's warm?
Yeah.
See, that's good idea for this one. See, I put it here.
I got in 3 hours ago.
Hello, Mikay.
I was leaving at 4 o'clock.
Really?
That was like 6. Watch this, Bob.
May mumu ka na naman. May mumu ka. May mumu na naman dyan, Maricar.
See me, Bob?
Yeah, I know, but you have to wear, you have to be under the water though.
Watch.
May mumu na naman, Maricar. You have to both on that one. Ilonggo Channel Vlog. Oo, sarap na sarap si Julin. Mainit kasi ngayon. Hello, Des. Yeah, mainit.
Hello, guys.
I know, you need the new bathing suit. You should wear my own. I have my bathing suit.
Bruh.
Yeah.
Hi, guys.
You can speak English, Julin. Yeah, you can borrow I have a colorful bathing suit.
I have more colorful
But showing the whole belly though.
Bruh.
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah. Is this big enough or theirs is bigger?
Theirs is bigger.
Do you want more bigger?
Way bigger.
Do you want more bigger? Maybe a different. Maybe.
After 4 years.
Yeah. That's true.
One's gone.
No, maybe after 2 years that we can get a bigger one and this one for Jelana's size and all that.
That's like huge.
Yeah,
And
like
it's
that.
for the
See.
kid, when people come over.
Hello,
they can-
Jennifer.
Like the little kids can go in here and the big kids can go in here.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah, we can get that one.
Bum. My lips are blue.
Oo, marami. Ayan, use me. Nasili. Jade, come here!
She can hear you because she's talking to herself.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
I like the bugs in the back.
Did that, who clean your swimming pool?
Huh?
Who clean?
I did a little bit.
And then,
And Joanna did too. Oh, bum.
hi, Sora. Julin, say hi, Sora.
I saw
Why you put the water? You need to clean it up. See, underneath, there's a lot.
I
See,
think I got one.
you have to clean it and then put the dirt in outside. You just put it back. There you go. It's cleaner than the... Ayan guys, swimming pool. Ayan. Ang ganda ng may sariling swimming pool, charot. Parang ganito, matigas din siya guys. Okay na siya. Okay na tong swimming pool na ganito. O, di ba? Panalo. Di ka na magpapagawa. Di ba? See? Ayan siya. May chlorine, may chloride na siya, yung chlorine. Yeah, see? Grabe, no? Uy, ang tigas, ha? Ganito lang yung swimming pool. Kasing height ni Jelana. Walking tour in France.